Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a glitched text effect using HTML and CSS. Before proceeding further, please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Open your code editor, and create an HTML file. Use the link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create a div element with class as container. Inside it, create a span element. Type your text inside it. Now, make 2 more copies of the span element. Let's add class names to them. For the first span element, set its class to R, which stands for red. Similarly, for second and third span elements, set their class to G and B, which stands for green and blue, respectively. Our HTML is ready. Let's move to the CSS. For this tutorial, I will be using a font named Albert Sans from Google Fonts. This effect looks best in extra bold or black version of the font. Let's embed the font into our CSS file by copy-pasting the import rule. Let's do a quick CSS reset. Set padding and margin to 0 for the wildcard selector. For the body, set width to 100 view width. Set height to 100 view height. Set background to Athens gray color. For all the elements of container class, set font size to 12 rem. Set font family to Albert Sans, sans serif. Set text transform to uppercase. Let's center the text on the screen. Set position to absolute. Set top and left to 50%. Set transform to translate -50%, -50%. Set user select to none, to disable text selection. For the green class, set color to green. For the red class, set color to red. Set margin top to 6 pixels. set margin left to -6 pixels. This will push the red text to bottom left by 6 pixels. For the blue class, set color to blue. Set margin top to -6 pixels. Set margin left to 6 pixels. This will push the blue text to top right by 6 pixels. Now, this is where the magic happens. For the red, green, and blue class, set mix blend mode to difference. Here, our final project is ready. Let's see the preview. It is looking great. Here's a quick tip. To maintain consistency with different font sizes, always make sure that the magnitude of margin is half of the magnitude of the font size, which should be in rem. So, that's all for today. Hope you would have enjoyed the tutorial. By the way, this code is available to download on my Patreon. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. I'll meet you next time. Till then, good luck, and peace.